guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is not a clickbait, but you can make this amount on this website. Okay, so far you follow through the things that I'm going to be showing you right now. So this website, this is the frequently asked questions. How can I earn rewards? You can earn rewards by completing fun surveys. After clicking a survey, we might ask you a few questions and yada yada yada, all of those things. You can just go ahead and read all of them. Why are there no surveys available? Because trust me, you guys, sometimes you can, be taking surveys and then you just hear something like, oh, you just screened out. Oh, unfortunately, just like so, you're going to be seeing those stuff. And then some of that time, you're going to be saying, congratulations, you can participate in this survey, and then they'll tell you how long it will take. It is just very simple. I love Prime Opinion because that's the first survey website I stumbled on, and that's the first website that helped me make my first pounds. In fact, my first ever foreign, okay, that's not my first, but yeah, it made me my first pound. Yeah, not my first foreign currency. Okay, so yeah, I love Prime Opinion, but you see this website, when I saw it, I just told myself, this is just too good to be true. But then again, recently I read something in a book where it says that the rich keeps getting richer and the poor keeps getting poorer, because the poor always think that every opportunity is a scam. And you guys, I literally pasted that everywhere in my house just so that I will not be in that category. And I hope you're not in that category. Stop seeing every opportunity online or offsite as scam. I've told myself that until I try it out, it is not scam. They are saying you answer just 5 questions. I mean, like just 5 questions, and then you get your money. I felt like it was too good to be true until I decided to jump on it. And yeah, in just 2 days, you guys, I was able to complete the my 5 surveys, and then I was able to make my £5 from this website. Like, it's amazing, isn't it? So yeah, just before I reveal this website to you now, the moment you have all been waiting for, and yeah, I'm going to reveal it just right now. But go and subscribe. Why have you not subscribed? No, tell me why. Queen of updates, like I bring you premium, sweet, legit updates. I mean, this channel is no scam zone. So why have you not subscribed? Please go ahead and subscribe. Thank you. Please subscribe to me. Subscribe. Okay, thank you for subscribing, and also do well to like this video so that it will help the YouTube algorithm to push it out to other people that will need this video. Okay, and thank you very kindly for that. Okay, so right now I'm not filming this video, or I'm not recording this video with my device. I'm using my sister's device. I just came to check on her, and I sent this website to her last night. She works remotely, but then she does every other side hustle at night. So yeah, yesterday she was able to complete just one survey. I know for sure that before this week is out, she's going to, do our own cash out. I know that for a fact. So yeah, all you need to do is just um, head on to the website. I'm going to be reviewing it in a bit, and then you just register, sign up with just your email. If you watch the video, the detailed video I did about Prime Opinion, then you're not going to have issues with this video. The profile setup I did in Prime Opinion, you can use the same profile setup. It has the same interface with Prime Opinion. All you need to do is just sign up with your email address, and that is it. Then they also have affiliates. So how it works, you can invite your friends. If your friends sign up and then they make their first £5, then you can make 10% off whatever that they make. So all you need to do is to copy your referral link and then send to them. Just like I copied my own referral link and then I sent to my sis. Yeah, oh, I need to make extra money. But this is not a criteria to withdraw. Whether you refer, whether you don't refer, it's nobody's business. It's just you trying to make extra money. Okay. So if you can't do that, it's okay. It's still fine. So what's the name of this website? The name of this website is called Five Surveys. Aha, aha. Five surveys. That's the name of this website. So just head on to your not Google Chrome, not Google Chrome, not Google Chrome. If you live outside Nigeria, you live in the UK and US, you can use any whatever that is available to you. But if you live in Nigeria and other African countries, please ensure that you do your setup. You do your setup. I hope you get it. I hope you get it. So you just do your setup and then do not use Google Chrome. Use either Firefox, DuckDuckGo browser, Phoenix, Google Edge, any of these browsers. You can use them and then sign up. Use the profile details that I showed you in Prime Opinion. Use exactly that or use something else, but just around that range to set up your profile. Then you can now start taking your surveys. Okay, so unlike Prime Opinion, if I click on this, you will just take your survey and then you see that okay, you've gotten like 27 points. But here, the moment I complete this survey, now I just clicked on the survey now. Great, you qualify for this survey, you can participate now. Survey will take around 27 minutes. So if I click now and I participate in this survey, I don't want to, this is my sister's account. I don't know if she'll be happy that I'm taking, I can't even take this survey because I do not know her profile setup. So yeah, let me just use it to demonstrate something. So the moment you are qualified to participate in this survey, all you need to do is just start answering the questions. You have to read through carefully. Let's just try. I don't want to answer this survey because I don't know her profile setup, but I was just using this to show you what it will look like. So you just click on agree to all and then you continue. See, simple questions like this, very simple questions. Are you male or female? Da, da, da. Like it is very simple. Female. Then you click on next. You just keep answering those questions. If you own, lease a car, what field do they use? Da, da, da. Oh, again, if you do not know the right answer, head over to your chat GPT or use Meta AI and just prompt it. Just ask these questions there and then minimize. All you need to do is do this and then come back. You can see Meta AI is here. So you just use it and then you just come and then you see the answers and then you can just answer it. Okay, this is it about this website. Head on to it and apply immediately and start taking your surveys. And in the next 5 days, don't forget there are certainly days you will not get surveys. Don't forget there are days that you are not going to be qualified for surveys at all. Trust me, I'm into this survey thing and I know how it works. There are days that you will constantly be screened out, but don't give up. Don't give up at all. Just keep pushing. You hear, oh, unfortunately, you could not da da da. Unfortunately, advertisers screened you out and all of that. But don't give up. Don't let that disqualify you. Like they said, one of the reasons why you're going to be getting screened out is because they are still trying to know you. They are still trying to find surveys that will match your profile. So until then, they may keep screening you out. But eventually, the moment you get to this five threshold, the moment you are able to answer five survey questions and then you cash out, trust me, surveys will yakpa, surveys will just be flowing anyhow. Do you get? So do not give up, stay on it. And the payment method obviously is PayPal. They have other payment method, but the most popular is PayPal. So you're going to be using your PayPal to withdraw this money, okay? And if you do not have a PayPal account, I mentioned how you can get one in my previous video. So you can just go back and check that video out and see what you can take home for yourself. Okay. So I bring you premium updates on this channel. Do well to subscribe, share this video, turn on your bell notification button, and do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. You guys, huge thumbs up, and comment your thoughts down below. So before I go, there is this video I am coming up with. This one, you do not need any setup whatsoever. All you need is, if you live in Nigeria, you live in the UK, this app is working. I mean, I'm going to be coming with that update. I'm going to be coming with that video very soon, like in a bit. So stay tuned. You see why you need to turn on your bell notification button? You see why? Go and subscribe and turn on your bell notification button. So guys, to your success, I will see you in my next one. Bye.